So I'm going to be using this big bad boy. I got this from Walmart, I suppose. It's been a while, I don't really remember, but I think it's from Walmart. It's Revlon. I call it the crimper. I think it also comes now in a smaller size. This one's really heavy. So whatever you guys have that looks like this will do. Alright, so I've already warmed it up. I've kept it at, oops. Yeah, it's been a while since I've really used these guys. This is super quick and super easy because there are no directions whatsoever. It requires a little bit of patience, as does anything in life, I feel. So I'm literally going to do just this throughout my hair. Okay, first things first before I forget. Once I have this in my head, so I deliberately very loosely did it because that's the look that I'm going for. I'm going to use a texturizing hairspray. It's the Way. It's called texturizing hairspray from Way. I'm going to shake it and just, you know, give you a little bit of that texture. See, this side is flat, this side is a little bit. Yeah, fill in the blanks, please. Because my mind is actually everywhere right now. I'm thinking about different things and anyway, I shouldn't be talking in videos. I really should not be talking. Anyway, so we have this. If you want, you can flip your hair, flip it back. And then what I like to do is just take a little strand, braid it. You can even French braid it if you want. But since these are quick hairstyles, and if you guys have highlights in your hair, this is going to look even better. Bring out the braid a little bit. And then, once I've loosened it up a little bit, like this, just take it back. And I try to pin it in. And then this side, and then do the same to this side. Yeah, that's one of my most favorite hairstyles because it's so feminine. And it gives you that desi touch. And if you have like your hair is blow dried or it's curled or whatever it is, long, short, you cannot go wrong with this hairstyle. I just think it's so cute. Let me put on my earrings really quick. Nice and soft and cute, I think. No? And if somebody needs some extra volume here, I've pinned it, but you can do that before you pin. And like that. So that this way your earrings can show, your jewelry can show. And then it's, you know, like your hair is still done but undone, that messy, trendy vibe. Or whatever it is. I mean, you guys can just pin it back like this. Make sure that your ears are in for that chiseled look. 3. And if you want, you guys can hairspray the back combing. One of my favorites is pinning it back. Like this. That. Or you can even French braid from here and pin it all the way back like this. Like this. You know, there's so much you can do once your hair has a little bit of texture in them. You can just leave it like that. It won't look undone. You can pin it with it however you want. It's going to be more in control and easier to style. So that's it. I hope you liked my 2-3 cents on different hairstyles that I would suggest for Eid. If my hair was longer, I love to just only, you know, like casually take it all on the side and braid it up and just leave it like that. Like open the braid a little bit and leave the braid like that. It looks super nice and super traditional, I think. And I love anything traditional. Send in your suggestions, comment below if you guys liked it or if you guys want me to try some other style on myself. Until then, mwah, bye!